We are going to redo a rock bed. It is the rock bed that goes right against our driveway, so when you pull in, there's a row of lilac bushes and some rock that I think Josey does not like the color of.
Yeah, so we're gonna pull out, it's like a gross white color. We're gonna pull it all out, pull up the fabric, get rid of that, and then make sure that the grade's actually right. So right now the rock is sticking above the concrete, so we'll dig that down a little bit. Maybe dig in a little French drain because we have a low spot in our driveway. And then we'll fabric and re-rock it with this rustic gold stuff that does not look white, and it has leaves in it. It looks good still, because you can't really see.
Hi.
Is that right, Joel? Joel?
Do you approve of this project?
Joel, is this a good rock? Do you like that one?
Okay, we like that kind of rock better than the white rock. Joel, can you say rock?
Rock.
All right, let's go do some rock.
High five. Good job. All right, back to work.
Hey Joel, where's Dada?
Dada.
Is Dada hiding back there?
Hi, Joel.
You climbing out? Oh, help? You know what Josey's favorite activity is?
Not raking.
It's raking rocks. He loves to rake rocks.
Coming to help?
Joel, you gonna put some more rocks in the pile?
Can you get some more rocks out? Here, Joel.
Grab some
How about
rocks.
those ones?
Good job.
So two of the problems with this rock bed were, one, this is a lot of the dirt, there's some rock mixed in it, but a lot of dirt on top of the fabric. And two, the fabric is super lumpy and not flat, and like over here it's been out in the sun and is just broken down. We'll want it so that the fabric is quite a bit below the concrete and the asphalt, because again, we'll run the snowplow and we don't want to gouge it every time. But also we don't want the rock just falling out into the driveways. Also, one of the things a lot of people do when they have too much fabric is they just fold it over itself, and then they could have cut it here, but instead they folded it, and then over time it got snagged, and that's why it's all coming up on that side. So we'll cut it when we do ours.
Great.
That's how wheelbarrows are meant to be used.
So it's sometime later now because these lilacs are now blooming, but here we are. We're back at the rock project. I like your butt.
What?
I like your butt.
Rude.
I like it. You see all the nasty ants? I mean, I guess they're not nasty. You probably need them.
All right, Joel, get rid of the rock. Haul it off. Over between the next two bushes, we're gonna dig in a little drain, a French drain, and hope it helps with our water problem.
And our baby running away problem?
Is that a good tree? Good tree. 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 Oh, so nice. Go in the dirt again? Dirt, 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 dirt. Okay, bye-bye. This hole is taller than Joel.
That's exactly.
And Joel is this tall. Back into the dirt. Into the dirt.
Hey, Dad, this is not my crib.
But it's fine.
Not where I'm supposed to be.
It smells earthy.
At 10 o'clock at night. Okay, cutie pie.
Alright, there's the hole. There's the dirt. It's hard to tell, but down in the bottom I hit a bunch of gravel and it's starting to get a little bit sandy, so I'm hoping if water gets down that low, it'll just kind of keep soaking down. My thought is to put this piece of PVC pipe with a bunch of holes in it to help get more water in. This would just create a clean spot for water to flow into. So basically, like if this were the hole, put this in, fill it in with rock, so the water could still get to this and then just go straight down into the gravel at the bottom. I'm gonna cut this down and then just drill as many holes as I can into the PVC. The bottom will just be open, so the water hopefully will just go down to the bottom. Clean shot right into that gravel at the bottom of the hole. You gotta use your DeWalt saw. If not DeWalt, probably won't work as well. There we go. Alright, the next step is to take your DeWalt drill. Obviously it has to be DeWalt. I'm gonna do 3/8 inch holes. There we go, that'll work. So I'll just make a bunch of random holes. Basically a perforated drain hose. Alright, time to fill in the hole. This is the hole that Joel was standing in all the way over his head last night, so it's filled in. I put the PVC pipe right in the middle. Once we get the fabric and rock down, we'll test it out and try flooding our driveway and see what happens. Here you can see our little bird family. Mom is suspicious of me.
So this is what the rock looks like once it's been washed. And this is dirty rock. It's all the same color. So he's gonna wash that down, and then when he's done, it'll look more like this stuff.
I didn't put any edging in because when I plow it'll just rip it up. So I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Probably took 3.5 yards of rock maybe. But now it's done.